Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And just in case you guys are not tired of birds yet, I have some more bird footage, but these are wild kind of birds. Last week, I think it was last week, I went to our migratory waterfowl refuge, or just migratory birds. I don't know. I'm very tired today. We have a refuge for migratory birds. I have some video of some trumpeter swans. And in the video, I do wonder the difference between, I thought there were two different species of swans. But actually, there's the white swans, which are adult trumpeter swans. And the other ones, you'll see like brown spots or just some brown plumage. And those are yearling trumpeter swans. So that is the difference between them. You'll see sandhill cranes. And I got on video what I think might possibly be a mating dance of sandhill cranes. I got some mallard ducks. I got Canada geese. There is another kind of goose out there, but I cannot remember the name of it. And there's some kind of spike tail duck. I'm going to put the footage here. I hope you enjoy it. I did, while I was dropping off the birds today, or the chicks today, and you'll notice there's no more peeping, but there's feathers flying everywhere. I rode by there, and there are no more birds, or there's just a few scattering of birds. And because the majority of them have already flown north again. So I hope you enjoy the bird footage. I'll be getting some more when they fly back in the fall, which is not going to be too much further, or not too much longer, because we still have snow. I don't think you can see it out there. Yeah, all that white stuff right down there, that's still snow. And it's looking like a nasty day, but it is too warm for it to snow if it does rain. So, okay, I'm gone. I hope you guys like the footage that I took at Creamer's Field. And so, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And as you can see, we still have some snow. This, where I am, is called Creamer's Field. And this is a migratory bird stopover, I guess you'd say. It's a refuge, migratory bird refuge. And I will zoom in a little bit. The sandhill cranes have made it. There's a couple of Canadian geese right here in front. And then some sandhill cranes have made it. They had a mating pair of trumpeter swans. So far have made it, and I will go over to the other side because there's a lot more over there. And there's some gulls. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'm trying to see if I can even see them. They are not seagulls, but here we go. I think that one sandhill crane is going to go join those others that are way out there. But it's what we call rotten snow. But if you can see this one, that sandhill crane that is to the left, you can even see that he is falling through the snow whenever he moves. So he's making his steps. Oh, no, he decided to fly. Oh, there you go. I caught you. Alrighty. They found even footing. So I'm going to go over to the other side so you can see the other side. There's a lot more birds over there. Look, there's a mama. Oops, there we go. A mama and a baby. Mama and Papa duck. Oh, there's another. Oh, there's a couple of pairs. A whole bunch of pairs. Some sandhill cranes. Canadian geese. Mallard ducks. Look, a mating dance. That's cool. I guess they're going back to eating. I guess the swans have moved on. I don't see them. There's some taking flight. Can't see them because they're in the trees. Look at those beauties. Trumpeter swans, I think. That's what I have heard that have made it so far. Hey, beauties. And some more ducks, some mallards. There's another swan. I don't know where its mate is, though. Oh, there's one right there. And then there's one further down with his head, or its head underneath. It's feeding. Sorry, I went too fast. There we go. Trumpeter swans. I'm almost positive. So all of these guys will hang out here for a while before they go further north. Yep, they even go further north than this. And then when they fly back in the fall, they'll have babies with them. Oh, here comes some more swans. Looks like two pairs. There's one, or just two. Nope, I see three. And it is deep enough for them to swim. Let's see. She just loved those sounds. Here they come. I only see three, though. These look like different swans. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. But there's three of them. Wah, 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 wah. That's a girl making all that noise. Wah, 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 wah. There's some Canadian geese. Sorry. The beautiful swans. Was it 7 swans a-swimming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and there's 2 more over there, so 7 swans a-swimming. There's a lot more than 6 geese, but they're not laying yet.